Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day one of my August 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. Today I'm starting off with a layout from Page Maps, and it is this one here, 4-photo sketch, 1-page sketch. So let me show you what I have pulled out to use. I've pulled out this alphabet. I do have some backups if I need more letters than what I have here. I stamped out with my stamp set a couple of phrases here. Photos, we can get away, and amazing. We'll see if I use those. I pulled in half a doily from the bits and pieces that I pulled in. I pulled in my tickets. I don't really have a purpose that matches the sketch, but I'm going to see if I can't use them. I pulled in some bits and pieces of enamel and puffy hearts, epoxy dots, enamel dots, epoxy hearts, let's see, and puffy hearts. I pulled in a doily from the sticker set that I added in. I pulled in word phrases. I pulled in washi strips. I pulled in labels. I pulled in, these are some tags that I made. That one was in the ephemera kit, and then these two are ones that I took my traveler's notebook pages that I had in. Started out like this, and I just made some tags out of them. I pulled in 3 pocket page cards. I don't know which one I want to use just yet. I pulled in my photos, and then I pulled in these 2 offcuts from the introduction page from the kits that I added in, and then these are the solid papers, the solid paper and the 2 pattern papers that I pulled in to use for this layout. So give me a minute and I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 1. The products that I did not use are these hearts, the epoxy or enamel hearts, and these puffy hearts. Nor did I use the tags or the tickets, and I did not use this phrase that I had stamped or these 2 pocket page cards. Everything else I did use, along with some things that I brought in. I will have shown you a close-up of the sketch, and it is from Page Maps 2022. I did pull this in to use to create a doily, a smaller doily with this one. And then I pulled in this blue washi tape here. And then I pulled in a pen to color some ribbons, and there's the doily shape that I cut out. And then I cut another tag, and I used that set. That is from the Hip Kit Club. Here are the 2 offcuts, the border strips of the papers that I used. There's the floral, and there's a solid. Oh, that's the other one that I didn't use. I didn't use this tag that I had previously punched out. Die cut with a with that die cut as well. Anyway, I used a couple of phrases from here. I used a label from here. I used a label from here. I used a portion of a washi strip from here, and I used a washi strip from here. I used 3 of the larger enamel dots from this set, and I used 3 of the epoxy hearts from there. I did pull these in as well and use 3 of these, and then I did use my alphabet. And here is the layout that I created, and I just put the title as Retreat, and then I put scrapbooking time and smile. There's the one tag that came with the pocket page, or sorry, with the Felicity Jane kit. There's the little ribbon that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. I colored it with this marker. Doesn't really look pink here. When I put it down, it had more of a blush color, but as it's dried, it has more of a red tone to it. I might have to go through and change that color to some degree. Anyway, washi strips are up here. That doily shape that I punched out up here. That half doily that I had is back here. And I used the larger label behind this smaller label, and then just cut it down in order that it fit. Here's a little cluster, an enamel dot, a puffy heart and, or sorry, yeah, was that not the puffy heart, the epoxy heart, and then the flower. Same 3 here and same 3 down here. Here is that sticker doily down here with my date, the washi strip and washi tape. This is a tag. Both of these I cut out with the tag dies. This one I had added in already, and this one was a pocket page card. I used 2 of the phrases that I had stamped in one of the chipboard shapes here. There is my fussy cut border there, and then the offcut border here. So that's it. That's layout number 1. I will have close-ups, so don't forget, stay tuned for those. And if you would like to see more layouts with this kit that I have put together, please feel free. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Also, you can check out my full kit over on my August 2022 Counterfeit Kit, or sorry, my August 2022 playlist. Alright guys, I would appreciate it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.